Commanders, morning. Ake sixoxe nanto udaba olusikhathazile njenge-MK Labour Desk olenzeka lapha kwaSira eThekwini. Lapha kwaSira we receive i-complaint ethi sekugcwele ama-agent. uSira allows ama-agent ukuthi azogcwala laphayana ema-ofisi akaSira, arobha abantu. Uma abantu bebamba ulayini ukuyovuselela uSira bayithola sebekhokha o-200 bama-agent. Laphayana kuphuziwa nobhiya ngaphandle kwe-office. Into esiyifunayo-ke njenge-MK Labour Desk, njenge-Sun4 South, we want to go and visit the office and talk to uSira. Sinencwadi njengamanje sibhalayo for uSira ukumazisa ukuthi number one, uma abantu bezo-renew uSira, especially ama-security, ayithola esenkingeni ethi and sekufanele ukuthi abe nemali ayikhokhayo e-extra for i-booking. Ukubhukha nje is 200 rand, of which it's a crime to me. It's a fraud to me. It's what do you call? Yeah, I think it's something that is not allowed to happen. So uSira akaqasha abantu noma ama-volunteer azokwazi ukulekelela ama-security uma ezovuselela uSira, hhayi ukuthi ama-security afike, ngoba khona nabantu abadala lapha who don't even know how to renew uSira. Laba oclever laba balapha phandle, they just took ama-phone obaba bethu bangene, and abanye bayakhala ngokuthi bangena ngisho nakuma-app ey'mali zabo ngoba bethi bayabakhokhela. So lokho, that brings i-danger enkulu kakhulu emphakathini wethu, and we are exposing abantu ababe ama-security bangaba nalo indlela yokuthi bazi nge-technology. So ulokhuzeke uSira, we have to challenge le problem ngoba siyacabanga ukuthi mhlambe they are aware, but ngenxa yokunqena ukusebenza they end up bededela abantu it's like ukukhuthuza leya nto eyenzeka laphana. Kuyi-disorder ongakazi uzuyibone. Laba bantu bagqoke private laba bantu, but they are doing izinto zakwaSira. Laba bantu bakubhukhela ama-appointment. Wakwabhukhelwa ngo-200 i-appointment. No, there's something wrong there. And uSira phela uyabiza. Okokuqala nje sisafuna ukuchallenge kwakona lokho ukuthi abize abantu ama-renewal bengasebenzi, athi abantu abahambe bayokhokhela uSira bengasebenzi. And uSira akenzi lutho ngokuthi ama-security akhokhelwa ngaphansi kuka-Sira rate. Akenzi lutho uSira ngalokho. Kunama-inspectors who are not doing the job, who are taking bribes. So now we are not going to tolerate this.